Today, let's test the Kingdo memory card I purchased from Lazada. This is a 121GB memory card, so both are 128GB. We'll test this by formatting this on the Poco X3 phone. We're now booting up the Poco X3 after inserting the SIM card. After inserting the memory card. So it says here, unsupported SD card. This device doesn't support this SD card, so now let's try to format this card. So I'll just put it down while formatting it. Oh, sorry. So it's now formatting. So this bar should go from here to here. From the looks of it, I think it's not doing anything right now. Because otherwise, it should be moving. The bar should be moving. Okay, so yep. When this happens, basically, the phone couldn't recognize the memory card. So the memory card may have a problem. So as such, I'll just turn this off. And let's test the other card. So I'll just remove the card again. Oops, didn't close. So this is the first card. And this is the second card. So I just inserted the second card, then now I'm booting up the Poco X3 again. the message written here is issue with SD card. Tap to fix. So let's format the card. It doesn't seem like it's progressing, the formatting. So most likely it's similar to the first card wherein the format will fail. I purchased this from a Lazada seller. He's like a registered seller basically. So I think that's what we call a seller from the Lazada Mall. So that means basically even sellers from Lazada Mall, they could be selling things such as these that will not work. Most likely this won't work. Bottom line, my conclusion here is avoid buying memory cards with this brand, Kingdo. Kingdo. The brand is Kingdo. I'm not sure you can see it. Kingdo. So avoid buying that brand of memory card. It doesn't work. It's just a waste of money. So with that, yep, thank you for watching and see you again on the next review.